These are the worst on carpet. What's up, guys? Sorry about that. Thanks for stopping by the channel. Welcome. If you don't know me already, my name is Jude, or as some people call me, Judy Shop. Yeah, and this is my tech channel. Alright. Well, let's get right into it. Awkward transition. Alright, I'm actually going to pause this right here for a second. Before you keyboard warriors go into my comment section, right? I thought it was just about to be a tech channel. Shh. It is. Just go with it. Alright. Alright. I don't know about any of you guys, but I absolutely cannot get through a long session of editing or gaming without coffee. So if any of y'all have ever thought about getting one of these yourself, this is just a quick tutorial of how to use it. So if you back this off just a little bit, usually I just do like 2 notches. That gives you what's considered basically pretty much a fine grind. You'd use that for like an AeroPress or a Mocha Pot. And then after that, it's pretty much just 2 increments after each time. You go, half turn, 3 increments, I guess. That drops it down to like a medium grind, something you'd use for like a pour over or a Chemex. Yeah, if you keep going a little farther, do another half turn. That drops it down to the most common thing for French press. This is what I generally run it on the most, just because it's quick, easy. I love the taste. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And then you can do things in between that to set it for whatever you want. If you need a more coarse or more fine grind, this is kind of what it looks about like. Just maybe a little over a nail's width part for the French press. Sorry. Yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, guys. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching the video. Let me change something real quick. Say something. The medium grind, I would actually do that just for a pot of coffee if that's what you're planning on brewing. I would actually go 1 notch like more fine if you're planning on doing a pour over, and 1 notch coarser if you're gonna do like a Chemex. That was my bad. I was kind of rushing in that. But yeah, appreciate you stopping by. If you want to see more content like this, feel free to hit the like button and drop the follow or subscribe. I don't actually know how this works. I'm just kind of starting. But I am hoping to post a lot more content like this, or not quite like this. I know a grinder is a little bit different for a tech channel, but I just thought it was a good way to start off. It's something I use constantly every day. But yeah, so I'm planning on using this channel basically kind of for people just around the same stage as me, wanting to start streaming, start making YouTube videos. That's kind of what this is for, and how to do it well and how to do it on a budget. And so I'm spending the money so you don't have to. I've done a lot of research other places and doing stuff. I'll have some more videos coming out. If you ever want to just chat and talk, follow me on Twitch. I stream fairly consistently. I don't have a schedule right now because I'm in the process of moving and getting married. So yeah, but if you ever want to talk, just stop in. The links will be down below as well, to all my socials. So appreciate you coming by. Yeah, till next time. Shoots.
Enemy spotted. Healers down.
Last player standing.
Fire's out.
1 enemy remaining.
Down.
Clutch.
Some things you just can't teach.
Looks like the old dog still got some bite.
Smoke's down.
Our spot carrier killed.
Goner. Down you go. Enemy spotted.
Healer down.
Last
Carrier's
player
down.
standing. One enemy remaining.
That's 3.
30 seconds left.
Make sure you check your left. I think he's up there.
Got the spike.
10 seconds left.
Spike planted. That's why they put me first.